the invitation.
Yes. So how was your stay? How was your stay and your travel for past 2 days in India? What have you heard and what have you seen here?
Well, it's been a wonderful journey to India from the UK. I fulfilled a lifetime's ambition of visiting the Taj Mahal, which was one of the things I've always wanted to see, and I managed to do that yesterday and had a wonderful trip. And the first time I visited the Berlin Institute, and I'm so very grateful for the invitation to visit the institute and to see the students and the university.
So how's the weather and all? I think that this is almost a Christmas.
Yeah,
winter is coming, so it is pretty humid here rather than compared to Hull there.
It's a lot warmer
Yes,
in
yes.
India than it is in the UK at the moment. Not too unpleasant. It's nice and warm here, just as we expected it to be.
Okay. So what are the elements you wanted to discuss in the research carrying forward with BIMTech?
Okay, one of the key areas we're looking for always in Hull is to develop new international collaborations. We already have an existing partnership with BIMTech, which has been well developed by Dr. Lawani, Dr. Dubwedi, and Dr. Chaturvedi and Dr. Singh. But we always want to continue to improve and enhance all our collaborations.
Yes.
So we're looking to have new student exchange,
Yes, sir.
and new research collaborations.
So you're talking about student exchange. So what do you expect from the students of BIMTech?
What we would like the students to do is to visit Hull, maybe for our summer school. We have a 4-week intensive program in July, from the 6th of July to the 31st of July, which provides a nice short introduction to the UK and provides the opportunity for students to study in the UK relatively cheaply. It's about £1,400, which is about, I think, 440,000 lakhs rupees.
Yes, sir. Yes.
And
yes,
so that will be an all-inclusive package, including accommodation and some meals.
so what are the courses you are offering for the student exchange program?
We offer the summer school in money and banking.
Okay.
We'll also have the opportunity for students to study abroad for 1 semester in business and management.
Yes, sir.
And we're also looking at other opportunities to develop maybe links and dual awards.
Any specialization or any in the future, is there any specializations or any half of the MBA here and half of the MBA there? So are you looking for any perspectives
We're always looking for new opportunities.
Yes, sir.
We need to be mindful of what fits best for both partners. We have a particular strength in logistics research and systems thinking, and maybe that could be of interest to potential students. But we're always looking for new opportunities to develop links, particularly at postgraduate level.
So what do you think the scope of logistics in India is going to be in the future to come?
Well, there's a lot of key challenges in terms of not just efficient logistics, which is going to be part of the cost minimization strategy of any company. But sustainability is very important. The environmental impact of logistics is very important.
Yes.
As India continues to develop, economic growth has an environmental impact. So the logisticians, like other social scientists, need to be aware of the impact that logistics has on the environment.
And in the future perspectives, what are the future perspectives you want are you expecting from BIMTech, like in further areas of research or study or student exchange, and more than that, anything?
We're almost looking to develop research links with the colleagues, and we had a very productive meeting today with faculty of the college and the university, and we were looking, to develop ways in which we can do joint research funding bids and colloquia.
Sir, can you give brief little highlights of the meeting?
One way we're looking at, what we did was to outline our research strengths at Hull, what are our areas of expertise, what are our areas of focus, and trying to identify areas in which we can do joint research together.
Okay.
I think what do you expect out of the students of BIMTech who look forward to join Hall University for exchange?
We hope they'll get a stimulating learning experience. That can come in a number of ways. Firstly, through the university itself, the wonderful facilities we have, access to some excellent academics and a great learning experience, but also to be part of a very large international student community. So the opportunity to meet and to learn with students from all over the globe.
So you must be partnering with a lot other institutes in India. So what keeps you
Interested in BIMTech?
interested in BIMTech?
We are partner with lots of institutions across the world.
Yes.
We've got over 90 academic partnerships. India is a particular focus for us because it's relatively new territory compared to China, and it's a key priority for us to try and attract some Indian students. And as well as working with BIMTech, we are hoping to work with some of the Indian Institutes of Management, being in Bangalore and Lucknow. And good partnerships are always based upon good relationships, and we've had a very good rapport and good working relationship with BIMTech through the impetus of Dr. Chakravarti.
Thank you so
Thank you so much.